A rainbow on your face is the first symptom of social media addiction. An Instagram highlighter, Google Eyeshadow, YouTube EOS, and Facebook on your lips? We made social media even better. Watch our new video to learn cool ideas for how to do influencer-approved makeup. Social media took over my friends' lives. Hello! Girls, why don't you thumbs up real life? I need to distract them. The perfect makeup will never let me down. Carve the YouTube logo on the surface of an EOS lip balm using a wooden skewer. Melt red lipstick in a microwave and pour it into the indents. Adjust the shape. Press the lipstick down. Draw the YouTube logo on the cap using acrylic paint. This YouTube EOS will give you a like right on your cheek. Whoa! This is the prettiest play button I've ever seen! Thumbs up! Let's color our lips! I can't wait to try my new EOS! These brushes are conspiring against me! I'm having such a weird day! Calm down! Here! This relaxing Twitter brush will help! Paint Twitter icons on makeup brushes with white handles. Make birds on one brush using blue acrylic paint. And T's on the second. Write Twitter on the handle of the third brush. Roll blue polymer clay out in a thin layer. Trace and cut out the bird logo and make the Twitter logo the same way. Bake it in an oven following the clay package instructions. Cool the finished pieces. Cover them with clear nail polish. Glue the pieces to small ballpoint pen springs and hot glue them to the brushes. Whoa! I love these! I'll definitely tweet about these cute brushes! None of the Snapchat filters look good on me today. Plus, I'm so greasy. That's definitely not the filter. Let me retouch my nose with my Snapchat sponge. Trace the Snapchat logo on a white makeup sponge. Use a textile marker and cut it out. Trace the outline in black. Hot glue a loop of yellow cord to the back so the sponge will be easy to use. This tiny ghost took away all the oil from my face. Now that's what I'm talking about. My face is ready for any filter now. I need to keep my followers on their toes. What should I do today? Let me try out the latest trend, an artistic lipstick print. Cover your lips fully with blue liner. Use eyeshadow to add lighter shades to the corners of your lips. Paint the letter F from Facebook's logo using a brush with white face paint. Stretch the letter over both of your lips. It turned out great! Now I have social media and social makeup. Leave me alone, Stephanie. If you don't know what to do, then do some Insta makeup for yourself. Clean out a container from old makeup using rubbing alcohol. Pour some highlighter into it. Make a rainbow gradient with the colors of the Instagram logo. Drop some rubbing alcohol onto the highlighter. Blot it to remove the excess liquid. Color the container with acrylic paint. Use the Instagram logo colors. Cut a frame and a camera lens out of white foam paper. Glue them onto the lid. Add a white pom-pom. Glue a mirror into the container and a printout of the Instagram frame. Whoa! Check out this Instagram highlighter! I'll put a sparkly filter onto my face. Beautiful! I need to refresh my summer makeup. Google says that block eyeshadow is popular right now. Maybe Google can help me do my makeup. Clean out an empty powder container with rubbing alcohol. Attach a round metal makeup cell in the center. Pour blue eyeshadow into it. Add a couple drops of rubbing alcohol. Blot it with a cotton pad. Remove the excess alcohol and press the eyeshadow down. Use hot glue to make dividers in the container. Make it look like the Google logo. Pour eyeshadow into the cells. Use Google's signature colors. Add rubbing alcohol to the eyeshadow. Remove the excess moisture with a cotton pad. Cover the lid with white acrylic paint. Trace the Google logo and paint it in the Google colors. Protect the design with clear nail polish. I Googled some eyeshadow and put trendy yellow eyeshadow all over my whole eyelid. And Cindy picked a pink shade from her Google palette. You can ask us how to do a fast and stylish makeup look. We are the best search engine ever! You think social media is more interesting than real life? Watch out, girl! I have some special Facebook eyeliner. Cover a tube of eyeliner with white light clay. Roll it out to make a cylinder. Bend the top. Attach a perpendicular strip. Make it look like the letter F from the Facebook logo. Once the clay hardens, cut along the cap so the tube can open. Zap! And Jessica's stuck inside virtual reality. Hi from the internet! Let me out of here right now! You hear me? This is your last chance. Calm down. I'm coming to get you. How are we meant to get out now? Oh no! Girls! What are you doing there? Earthquake! Get into low battery mode, and I'll use all the power of Facebook and give myself winged eyeliner. Cindy fell asleep dreaming about Snapchat. Perfect! Let's make her dreams reality. While she sleeps, I'll turn her face into a rainbow Snapchat filter. Paint a line from the lips down to the chin using blue face paint. Keep going until you have the whole rainbow filter made out of face paint. Add highlights and stars using white face paint. Don't forget to powder her nose. Achoo! Rise and shine, Miss Rainbow! Did you like our makeup ideas? Let us know in the comments about what your favorite social networking site is. and which internet-themed makeup look you'll try out. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new beauty ideas from Troom.